Today I will show you how to transform a pen, normal size pen, into a mini pen. We need some items for this. First of all, we need a pen. A pen, it should be made out of tin or flexible metal, or otherwise you cannot cut it smoothly. We need a refill, a used refill which one has a little bit of ink. We will cut it and make sure it is according to the size of the pen. Then we need a scissor, we need a scale, and of course we need a marker. So how we will do it? First of all, you have to choose a pen, a metal pen. The pen should be made out of flexible metal. As you can see, this is a pen made out of tin. So if we see inside, then you can see that it only has these three parts. This is the top side of the pen along with the clip. This is the bottom side of the pen, and this is the main mechanism. This is the twist mechanism and a ring. So what first of all what we will do, that we will make sure that the refill is available according size. If we measure this pen, first of all we have to reassemble it, and if we measure this with the scale, then you can see that the pen is 5 inch. As you can see, this is the 5 inch. So we will make this pen according to size. Then this size of the first top side of the pen, if we measure it, then you can see it is 2 inch. As you can see, it is 2 inch. So we will put the 2 inch here. So we will make a 4 inch pen. If we measure the bottom size, then you can see that the bottom size of the pen is larger than 2 inch. It is 3 inch. As you can see, the bottom size is 3 inch. If we have to make a pocket pen, then we will go for this size, which is 2 inch, and we will cut it into 2 inch. How we will do it? Let us see. Disassemble the pen, and we need we need a paper and of course the marker pen. We have to mark it. We will mark here from the bottom. We will take the measurement and we will mark here, because we will cut 1 inch. And we will do that we will wrap this paper around the pen like this, and we will, as you can see, we have the exact measurement. We will mark here. You can use any of the pen color, and it should be a marker, permanent marker, because otherwise the impression will not be good and it will be problem for you to cut. So as you can see that we have our impression here, and we will cut it. As this is tin pen, it is easy to cut. If you do not have a tin pen and you have a stainless steel pen, then it will be not easy for you to cut. How we will cut? We will cut down side from the top to down, like this, and then from the another side, and then from the another side, from another side. After it done, you can see it will be look like a flower, a type of flower, because this is the technique of cutting the pen from top to according place. So now you can see it looks like a type of flower, and these are the petals. Now we will cut from side by side, because it was not easy that time to cut it side by side. Now we will cut it side by side. The video is getting larger time, but I think you will like it. If you have a waste pen that is not in use, then you can turn it into a pocket pen. As you can see, we have cut it into 2-inch size, just like the top side, and you have to smooth it with the help of scissor. Make it smooth one, and you have to touch it and you have to feel it whether it have any problem or not. Sharp edges, if it has a sharp edges, then you can use a sand paper and you can just rub this edge. Okay, I do not have the whole time to show you that, but I am just telling you. So this is the pen. Now you can see from 5-inch size it is cut down to 4-inch. As you can see, this is the 4-inch. Now what we will do, we will insert the refill here, and this is the pen. As we have cut it, as you can see, it is not, it has lost its exact parameters, and in this it is loose in this case. So you have to put a gum here and press it accordingly. If you want to make 3.5-inch pen, then you have to cut it more. So friends, that's how we will make a huge pen, 5-inch pen, and we have cut it into a 4-inch pocket pen. You can turn it into a 3.5-inch pen also. So hope you have liked it. If you like the design, then definitely subscribe our channel, hit the like button and comment us. Thank you very much.